Hey everyone, my name is Kelly and I'm a physical therapist and I specialize in lymphedema, oncology, and women's health. As a lymphedema specialist, I advocate that swimming is one of the best forms of exercise for those who have swelling. Water has a natural pressure to it, so for every 1 foot or 0.3 meters depth of water that you're standing or moving in, it's going to give you the same amount of compression as a compression stacking would, which is about 20 to 30 millimeters of mercury of pressure. So not only are you getting good compression just by being in the water, but when you combine that with exercise, you're getting a really good muscle pump, which also is going to help move the fluid out. And so you're getting the benefit of exercise for your body while getting your fluid moving to help decrease your swelling. Not only that, but the pool is a great option for those who have any joint pain or need relief from their arthritis symptoms. So in this video, I'm going to share a basic full body routine for gentle exercise in the pool. I will also be creating a more intermediate pool exercise video that is cardio based. So if that is something that you're interested in, be sure to subscribe down below to see when that video comes out.